Hi guys, how have you been this weekend? Well, I've had some interesting things happen, and if you can tell, no makeup today. I am feeling really, really worn down. My power port has 3 nubs on it, and you feel around those nubs, and in between those nubs is the actual port. So they do a x-ray to see if my port has moved, if it's done anything. I don't know what they thought it was doing. I don't know if they thought it was doing flips or whatever it was doing. When I was admitted, I had a low grade temperature. My blood pressure was 144/90, and my heart rate was 130, and my O2 saturation was 99. My blood pressure is never that high. It just isn't. That's normal for my heart rate. That's the reason why I really need to see my cardiologist, because I have some questions for him regarding that. So they do this x-ray to see what's going on with my port inside, to see if it's come unattached, see if it's kinked or whatever, and it's none of that. I could have told them that because I get extremely good blood flow and blood return, and so they get documentation back, and after talking to the on-call, and said, oh, well, just send her home, she'll be alright, and we'll see her in the clinic. And I'm sitting here going, oh, wait a minute. This is a port that's in my chest going into my heart, and I have a hole caused by this port, and you want to send me home because you don't want to deal with me. I said, so I'm going to go home with a hole in my chest where the port is just saying, hey, everybody, I want to see the world. Yeah. Okay. And I said, so tell me something. If this can stay open and it's not a big deal, then why do I need to do sterile protocol to do this anyway? If I can have a hole at my port, what's the whole point? Yes, she didn't like those questions. But, sometimes you get these doctors who are know-it-alls, and sometimes we have to take them down a peg or two. I'm still not happy because there's 3 nubs. I started noticing it coming up close to my chest wall, and they're very prominent about a month ago, but I didn't have any erosion. Nothing has started poking through my skin yet, but when you see these pictures, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. The one is pointing straight up to the actual spot, and it looks black. When I first noticed it, you could see the nub, and then after a little while, my port will actually relax back, and then all you see is a hole. And then when I'm trying to reaccess it and I'm cleaning it with the chloroprep, you can also see it very good with the chloroprep, and you can see the other two that are right there. This one it's just gonna be a matter of days before it comes to my skin. This one is sitting a little more deeper in my body, so I think I'll end up with these two, and I will not let them take this out in the office. They will have to take it out in the hospital. And if they don't like it, then that's too bad. Because I don't have anything that's very good with procedures or surgeries. And I have to have a new one put in. There is no getting around it, and they can't do it here. They have to do it over here. And what's irritating is, I guess they're wanting for this whole damn thing to erode. But I have the worst luck with having any kind of any wound, because it takes my body a longer time to heal. So anyway, the doctor, she didn't know what the hell she was doing. She didn't know what she was. Oh my god, I just can't even go into it. But I always go downtown Norton because all my doctors go there. But I really, really thought about going to Audubon this time. And if I have to again, I'll go to Eroding because, I'm sick of getting the same doctor, and, her not knowing anything, and she didn't even draw my blood. How does she know I don't have an infection? And, I'm sorry, you guys. I am worn out. I'm tired. And it's not from, I was discussing this with my husband. My heart rate sits around 120 to 130, and that's doing absolutely nothing. And so I was talking to my husband, and I'm like, people on my Crohn's page, they tell me, you have such a high heart rate, no wonder you're tired all the time. You always have fatigue. Your heart rate's making your body work harder, but you're not going anywhere because you're worn out. So I'm just aggravated, and I guess with good reason. I don't know. I'm tired. I want to feel good, and I do have a doctor's appointment with my PCP, and I'm going to take the paper in for a handicap placard. But I am going to do very, very little. very little anything to this, and then I'm gonna post it, and I'm gonna say goodnight because my body is just sleepy. So good night, everybody, and if I'm feeling better tomorrow, maybe I'll hop back on, or maybe I might be at the vascular surgeon's office. Who knows where I'll be and what I'll be doing. So you guys have a good night, and see you guys tomorrow.